Okay, here it goes.
Oh no.
You better try
You
it.
gotta fly it again. Aim at Dallas.
Woo!
Oh.
Be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
Are you videotaping?
Yeah.
Oh.
I want to show.
My boots are probably full of snow.
Get ready to go out in the snow. Let's see. Oh, it's a lot of work to go out in the snow. That's for sure. Where's my hat? Oh, here.
I'm gonna donate that one.
Okay.
Wait, can I have that orange
Oh.
This is my face mask. You don't want me to lose it.
I think my sister was wearing that. No, she wore the other one, like the orange hat when she was here. I like the color. It's very bright, so you can like see.
Yep. I wear that when we go hiking.
So you don't get lost. Oh, excuse me.
Everybody sees me then. Okay.
You like your face mask? Now, Carol, you gotta come out too. Gotta get mine. Yeah, yesterday we had a blizzard, also known as winterstorm gauge. We were supposed to leave last night, but we were now here till Thursday night. It got delayed and everything was shut down, so our flight got canceled, and we are here now till Thursday night, and we're going out in the snow now. So look at all the snow. Wow, there's a lot of snow right here.
I think I better
You what?
put my snow stuff on.
Yeah, you should come out with us. It's nice to get fresh air.
I gotta dig out the garbage can for tomorrow too. Okay, I better go in and put some stuff on. My hands are starting to get cold.
Yeah.
I'll be out in a few minutes. I don't know how long Fisher will last, but
Wow.
I'm gonna last for a long time with the face mask.
Yep, you got a face mask on. The snow is taller than us. I think the snow might be, whoa, Maylee. It's like a little slide right there. Oh, it's like a snow fort. You kind of have like a snow fort. That's cool. Let me get my, oh shh. Let me get my snow gloves on. Or did I just say, trike's all buried. I'm sure Grandma will find your rake for you. Wait, let me see. Oh, I didn't do anything. Like a snow fort right there. I'm gonna like walk up here. Yep, there's tons of snow out here.
If someone steps in, they're gonna fall into
Yeah, Maylee found a snow fort kind. Yeah. There's a lot of snow right now. Woohoo! It's like your little snow fort. And I got them on your eyelashes.
I have my own, very own,
It is deep. I can barely like walk up. So deep. It's like I can barely walk. I can barely get up this little snow hill because I'm already. I won't. I'm like the snow is like up to my waist almost. So yeah. And our snowman. Okay, let me see if I can do this. Walking is like impossible to walk because I'm like covered.
Be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the January. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Snow is like super deep. Oh, crap. I'm still walking around. Boots keep getting getting stuck. Yeah, I can see and Haley has like a little house over there. Snow fort. Wow, this is hard. You are?
Yeah.
Fisher's going to sleep right there.
Yeah,
Hey, hey Carol, I think we have a problem. Shit, that was good. My foot is like stuck. We're now walking to Grandma Clara's house, and we got this, and going to the park. We have this green sled Maylee wanted to bring, and Grandma might have a big hill, I don't know, but yeah, it's pretty wintry.
He usually has a big hill.
Yeah, I'll watch out for the dead ones. So everybody's digging out from the blizzard yesterday. But yeah, hopefully Grandma's home. She should be home. Probably watching this.
Yeah, because Grandma said
Yeah, she might be home. Maybe a stop by. Maybe she has a snack or something for us. We don't know. Fortunately, we still have sickness going on right now. My mom is still sick. I'm not sick. I kind of had it yesterday. Maylee, me, Carol, we're all better. But it's been going around, so. Oh crap, it's deep here. So you go knock on the door. Here. I'm just watching the movie. I'm pretty lazy today.
not matching gloves today.
Nice and
I
new.
got it from my sister Arlene. I suppose she used it when it was new, but it's just like I had a friend in our neighborhood when I was growing up in high school, and after school we'd go there and have a milkshake.
That sounds so fun. It's big and little. So big is the opposite of little. Draw the opposite listed. Can you think of something else that is big and little? So elephant, ant, house, skateboard. So you're supposed to draw it. So draw a house.
I draw a house.
Yeah, so like you just do like a, and then, yeah. There you go. Think of something that's big and little. So what do you think's big that you can think of? Like think of something that's big, like
Me.
you?
Yeah.
Well, you're big. I guess you can write yourself down and draw you. Look at your milk. Grandma's making your milkshake. Yep, you can just put you can put yourself down.
I'm trying.
Yep, and then you think of something that's small. Think of a bug,
Fisher.
I guess, or you could do like a bug,
Because
like.
Fisher's my little brother.
I guess you can do Fisher. Yeah, there you go. What is it? Is it good? She likes the milkshake. That's good.
Good. And if you need a spoon to eat it with you.
How do you spell grown up?
That's a long word. Why don't you write
Yeah,
it over
you
here
should
where
write
you
it
got
over there.
room? Grown up. G-R.
GR.
Well, you won't have room there, like I say. You should do it over there. O-W.
O
N.
N
And then
N
U-P. Grown up. Just the way it sounds.
P.
You're running out of room on that page.
Grown
Well, you're
up.
printing.
How do
It's
you
nice.
spell?
Grown up. If you have to have an N now and a U-P. N-U-P.
I did.
Oh, you put...
N.
Who reads that way? You don't put your name on 2 lines. You put it on 1 line. Right?
How do you spell your name?
I already told you. C-L-A-R-A.
C
L.
L-A-R-A. It's pretty easy.
Grown up. cleared up.
Oh, God. Yeah, that was so funny. That's the funniest thing I've heard.
It's so funny. She got everybody sick. Shame on you, Bailey. You think it's funny? Oh, my mom doesn't think it's very funny. She's miserable. Get the caps on those.
Am I supposed to do one more?
Yeah.
And then you know how to fly it, right, Bailey? Just go like that.
Another. I want this blue color.
Oh,
Okay,
Bailey.
here you go.
Fly it
Now
at
you're
Dallas.
up
See if
in
it.
Dallas. You know how to do it?
You go like. Shh.
Okay, here it goes.
Oh, no.
You better try
You
it.
gotta fly it again. Aim at Dallas. Oh.
You didn't have it folded up enough then.
Here. Yeah, it doesn't do anything.
Turn it all the way now. I've had enough of this. Oh, as soon as you get to Carol's, you take out all the junk over there, I'm sure.
I'm sure you will, won't you, Willie?
Roll it.
Typhoid
Do you know how to
Mary.
fly it?
Take Typhoid Mary home with you, and don't bring her back.
Oh.
You tell Grandpa that Dallas called him Typhoid Mary.
Yeah.
No,
Grandma said we can go to the park.
No, we can go another time. It's too much snow over there.
Normally, that's
I don't care.
There's too much snow. We can't go.
Care.
Well, I'm not going over there.
Then I can.
No, you're not going over there.
And you gotta stay on the road and go
Yeah, you have to stay on the road.
ride a bunch of snow and shit.
Yeah, because then we'll have. Oh, there goes a little mini car.
A little bitty. Oh, this is no fun.
Why is it no fun?
All this snow.
It's fun.
Well, Bailey's enjoying it.
Good. Somebody's got it.
I'm not wet.
Well, good. No, you did your sledding. Wave bye to Grandma. She's in the window. Wave to her. See? A girl on her sled.
Wait, hold me on the sled while we go.
No, like this.
Try to do it.
This isn't gonna do anything. Yeah, Bailey, this is not a good idea. You gotta walk. At this rate, we'll be at Grandma's maybe by next year. Hello guys, it's about 4, almost nighttime, dark time, but it's been another busy day here. We've been playing in tons of snow, face is cold. We just spent a lot of time at Grandma's house with Dallas, and me and Bailey colored. It's windy, Grandma made milkshakes. But yeah. Yeah, so much for shoveling the driveway. I mean, not the driveway, the steps here. Whoa, that was a mini one. You gotta slide down this. Oh!